Okay, today we are going to learn about magic E. Sometimes magic E is also known as silent E. Have the same job. What they do is the E will make vowels say their name. It turns vowels into the long vowel sound. There's also an Alpha Blocks video that's really good for this. This is for our stories, Rice is Nice and Rice Race. So let's work on some examples. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So anytime I do a word, we're going to do the word rice, okay? We're going to do long I sound. And in this case, the long I sound is going to be an I, a space for a consonant, and an E. There it is. There is that magic E. It is going to pinch that I and make it say I. Okay? All right. So that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to write it down like that. Here we go. Let's do the word rice. Okay? Sound R. Sound I. Sound S. Let's blend. R. I. S. Word rice. Okay. Let's do another one. Sound. Sound I. And you know it's I because I reach over and pinch the I and make it say I. Sound. Let's blend. I. Word. Fine. Do another one. Sound. T. Sound. I. Sound. Let's blend. T. I'm. Word. Time. Sound. S. Sound. Ooh. Sound. I. Sound. S. Let's blend. S. Ooh. I. S. Word. Slice. Sound. S. Sound. P. Sound. I. Sound. S. Let's blend. S. Ice. Word. Spice. Another one. Sound. Missed the dot. Sound. I. Sound. S. Let's blend. Ice. Word. Nice. Sound. W. Sound. I. Sorry. Sound. I. Sound. P. Let's blend. W. I. P. Word. Wipe. If I put an S on it, now it's wipes. Okay, let's review. Ready. Begin. Rice. Fine. Time. Slice. Spice. Nice. Wipes. A whole bunch of these words also had the S, the soft C, soft C, soft C, soft C, and soft C. Remember the CE? CE is one of them that says S. Okay, all right. You're learning all kinds of new stuff this week. Let's do some more with the magic E. Magic E. That cool? I love the magic E. Magic E is so cool. Okay, these ones are going to have the long A sound, and they are going to be spelled A, consonant, E. Because remember, there's going to be a consonant in that blank spot, and this E is going to be able to reach over and pinch that A and make it say A. Okay, here we go. let's do some long A words. Our first one. Sound. Sound. A. Sound. K. Let's blend. A. K. Word. Make. Sound. S. Sound. T. Sound. A. Sound. J. Let's blend. Age. Word. Stage. Sound. Sh. Sound. A. Sound. K. Let's blend. Sh. Ache. Word. Shake. Yes, that is an uppercase A. It's on purpose, and you probably already have guessed why. Sound A. Sound S. Let's blend. Ace. Word ace. And ace is, yeah, somebody's name. That's right. Very good. Sound R. Sound A. Sound S. Let's blend. R. Ace. Word race. Sound T. Sound A. Sound K. Let's blend. T. Ache. Word take. I put an S on it. Now it's takes. One more. Sound P. Sound A. Sound S. Let's blend. Ace. Word pace. Pace is like a speed. People will often say pace yourself. That'll mean don't go too fast so you don't get tired out. But pace has to do with speed. All right. Good job. And I bet that you found some of those soft G, J. And we also have some soft C's. Okay. Let's review. Ready, begin. Make, stage, shake, ace, race, takes, pace. You can pause and review those words if you'd like to. Let's see, I have another magic E. Woo! All right, this one's going to be super short. This is the long O. I bet you guessed it. O, consonant E. And that E can reach around and pinch that O and make it say, oh! Very good. All right. Here we go. Let's do, we're going to do one long O word. Ready? Here we go. Sound. Sound. O. Sound. Let's blend. Home. Word. Home. All right. All of these words are in our story. Let's review. Ready, begin. Home. Cool. All right. I have one more long E to show you. This is not really the magic E. This is just a long E. Okay. This is another way we can spell long E. This one, long E, is spelled with two E's. And you already know one of those words. It's the first one we're going to do. It's one of the first words that you learned when we started reading. Sound. S. Sound. E. Let's blend. S. E. Word. See. Look at that. You've been using the long E sound with two E's for quite a while. Let's do another one. Sound. S. Sound. E. Sound. D. Sound. S. Let's blend. Seed. S. Word. Seeds. Good. One more. Sound D. Sound E. Sound P. Let's blend. D, E, P. Word deep. Let's review our double E words. Let's say E. Ready, begin. C, seeds, deep. Very good job. You can pause and reread those words on your own. I hope that you enjoyed learning about the long E sound. These words are all in our stories Rice is Nice and Rice Race.